What up, YouTube? Anybody ever just have like a fucking shitty day? I have. I had a pretty shitty day. Okay, so I'm working with someone, right? And like they come in, they're like, oh, all these boxes. And I'm thinking they're talking about my boxes. And I'm like, dude, I get that shit all the time. Like, I'm gonna break it down for them tonight. And then, yeah, words got exchanged and we got an argument. And then he went and told the superior person, oh, what are you doing, dude? Yeah, anyways, so now we have to sit down and talk to each other on Friday. I'm like, God damn it. I really don't want to talk. There's nothing I really care about. I was like, God damn it. What do you want me to do? Get another job? They're like, no. Okay. So apparently I gotta talk it out. It's whatever. It's life. Life throws you a fucking curveball every now and then. Shit happens, I guess. Besides that, everything is pretty good. Now you know that feeling like, oh fuck, I gotta talk to this person now. And yeah, it's gonna be awkward on Friday. Look at this fucking car. Nice. Car's pretty dope. That car's pretty dope too. Yeah, that's all the story I can tell you really from today. Alright guys, well, we're gonna go home. I'm going home. You guys are probably already at home, so don't forget to comment, you know, All fucking I like comments. I'll talk to you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you guys want, go check out my Patreon down in the description. Alright? Have a great night, guys.